Hello everyone and welcome back to Keepsakes by Patty Cakes. This is Patty Cakes and a warm welcome to all my new subscribers. And before we get started, of course, I want to give huge hugs and love to Louise Fraser, Deborah Day, Dream with Caroline, Sparkles Creations Art, Christelle Bonvake, Beverly Potter, William R., and Sandy Garrett. Thank you all so much for your comments and for joining me today. This is going to be hopefully not too long. I had already started recording what this was in another video and it didn't record. So I'm starting a fresh one, and I'm just going to show you the basics of how I made this. And what it is a magnetic belly band. That's what it's called. A horizontal belly band, and it's pretty simple to make. You can either use glue or sewing machine. As you know, I prefer sewing machine, but I'm going to go ahead and glue this just to make it go a little faster today. What you'll need, this is going to be a page in another Christmas journal that I'm going to be doing. I have several kits that I'm hoping I can get done sooner than later, and I am using this page. This is from Leanna Scraps. I have several beautiful kits from her, and what I did, this is one of the pages printed the normal way, and then I changed it to have this be on the right hand side of the page. And the reason why I'm doing this is because my opening on the belly band is going to be this way. So you can make it to whatever, whichever side of the journal you're going to put it on, this side or this side. So what I have here is a piece of 5.5 inch paper, and I'm going to go ahead and just ink around it real quick. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. And I know I haven't been here for a few days. Just an update. My stepmom made it through surgery okay. For those of you know, I don't know if I think I said in the video she was going to have a surgery done, and she made it through that okay. And again, my dad's not doing well, and I asked for continued prayers for him. And my fiance, we just found out this weekend, has Lyme disease, so he's been down. So if you could also keep him in your thoughts and prayers, send positive energy, whatever you might believe in. So here, what we're going to do is just fold this 5.5 inch sheet of paper in half. Okay. And this is going to be our belly band. Now, the other one I did, it wasn't on digital paper, so I could actually make it longer. But because I couldn't make this longer, printed on this size paper, I'm going to put the attached flip on the bottom. Okay, so I just cut it at 2 and I think it was 2 3/4 inches. Let me just double check for you. Yes, 2 3/4 inches wide. okay? And I am going to glue it this way, so when I put it down on the paper, the colored side, which is, this is pink, will show, and I'm not worried about the back side, okay? So we're going to go ahead and glue this down. And this will also have a secret spot on it for journaling, as well as a pocket. Okay. So this is the base we have here. And then I'll just move this out of the way for a second. I apologize, my desk is a total wreck because I have several projects going on, and then at the end I'll show you the one that I was making and didn't film. So what we're going to do, I just have some paper medical tape here, and I'm going to use this to cover the magnet we're going to use. So I have 2 magnets here. I'm going to say these are probably 10 millimeters, and I'm going to take them apart, try to, and I'm going to go ahead and glue one in here. Now if you're going to sew, make sure you put it down far enough so your needle doesn't hit it, okay? So I'm just going to take some glue, put that right there. Then I'm going to take a piece of this medical tape, and the reason why I'm doing this is so when you slide something in the pocket, it doesn't catch on the magnet. So we will just go ahead. I'm adding extra glue just out of precaution so this tape doesn't come up. Okay, so like I said before, I sew around mine, and when I sew around it, I sew all the way around this part here, okay? But for this video, excuse me, I'm just going to go ahead and glue it around the edges here. Well, on 2 sides. And I will just take a bone folder and just really get that to crease so it stays down. Okay, now we'll go ahead and take our page, and if you want to stitch ahead of time, you can stitch around the whole thing. That way you just don't have stitch lines here, you can have it all the way around. And then what you do is just glue the bottom flap down to the page where you want it. I'll just scooch this up. I guess I'm not going to stitch on this one. For video's sake, I'm just going to... Whoops. I'm just going to glue her down so you can see how to do it. And we'll just put that at the edge right there. Okay, so for the top part, all you have to do is take the other magnet and, I had it backwards, and let it click on to the magnet inside. And then what I'm going to do is take some of my art glitter glue and put it on the magnet, and I'm going to press it down there. That way we get a spot to where the magnet goes. I'm going to take the magnet off and put some more glue. And this magnet I'm not going to cover. I'm just going to stick it down like that. Then you're done. Unless if you want to decorate this part. And as you can see, we now have a pocket here. okay, on the side, as well as a secret writing space on the back. Now you can also put pockets, a pocket here, or whatever you'd like on the back, and make more secret pockets, okay? So I'm just going to let that go back down, and then we have a belly band. So it's that easy. And so I will go ahead and show you the one I was working on video that didn't record. So this is in the blue journal, and this is how far I got. I didn't get to complete it, but as you can see, it's the same thing, and it has a magnet on it. I made this one out of music paper, and it was long enough that I could put the flip on there. And then all I did was glue different laces down like you would a snippet rule per se, and put all your different laces down. And I have this at the bottom, and there's another lace at the bottom. You can barely see it through here, but it's a sparkly lace. And then I put a bunch of other laces, and this snowflake, crocheted snowflake that I made last year. And so I do want to add to these, and I took some blue buttons and I sewed through them with a silver thread, and we're going to put those on, and I'm just going to put some wording on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with you before we end the video, and we'll go ahead and put these buttons on. Okay, let's see, I think I'll put this one down first. I'm using Fabrifix because I'm putting it on fabric. Just put one down. Whoops. Move this. Oops, it's coming right back up on me. Press it for a second, let it catch. This one too. And then the last one. Put it right here. Just gonna hold that down for a second. And then on this one, I want to ink it. I have pink on the other, on my thing, so a sponge thing. So that's good, and I'm going to glue this down. So we can have some text in there. And then in the middle of the snowflake, let me see, let me grab one of these. I don't like the little sticky stuff that they put on the back of these, because as you can see, it comes off real easily. So I'm just going to take that off and glue this down right in the center here. Oops. And hold that down. And that will complete this page. Now, as you can see, we have that, and then we also have the pocket in the side, the secret pocket, and it's covered up, you know, with all the lace, so you can't really tell that there's a pocket there. So I just wanted to share that with you while I was making this, and I hope you enjoyed that, and hope you might be able to incorporate that easy one into your journals. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.